Today, we're diving into a super important topic for new investors. What is a dividend? Whether you're just starting out in the stock market or simply curious about how investing works, understanding dividends is a key step to building long-term wealth. Let's break it down. A dividend is basically a payment that a company makes to its shareholders. That means you. When it earns a profit, think of it like this. When you buy stock in a company, you own a small piece of that company. If the company does well and makes money, it may decide to share some of that money with its owners, you, through dividends. So, dividends are a way to earn money just by holding a stock, even if the stock price doesn't move. Let's say you own 100 shares of a company, and it pays a 50 cents dividend per share every quarter. That means every 3 months, you'd get 50 cents x 100 equals $50 deposited straight into your brokerage account. That's $200 a year, just for holding the stock. And here's the cool part. You can reinvest those dividends to buy more shares automatically, which helps your money grow faster thanks to compounding. Dividends are usually paid in cash, but sometimes companies issue them as additional stock shares. Either way, it's a way to grow your investment. Now, not every company pays a dividend. Companies like tech startups usually reinvest all their profits to grow the business. But more established companies, think Coca-Cola, Procter and Gamble, or Johnson & Johnson, often pay regular dividends. The dividend yield tells you how much you're earning from dividends compared to the price of the stock. For example, if a stock is $100 and pays $4 a year, that's a 4% dividend yield. Pretty neat, right? Dividends can be a great way to generate passive income, especially if you're thinking long-term or planning for retirement. But remember, dividends aren't guaranteed. A company can reduce or stop them if profits go down. So to recap, a dividend is a share of the profit that companies pay you for being a shareholder. It's a powerful tool for growing wealth, especially when combined with reinvesting in time. If this video helped you understand dividends, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and drop a comment if you have questions.